Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be going through P6 Science Prelim Paper 2024 Pei Chun, question number 26. So if you want to investigate whether A, B, C, D, okay, were electrical conductor, or insulator. So he used the whole circuit. So you can see AC is paired with together, BD is really paired together. So that means electricity must either flow through B or D. That means either one of them must be conductor. And C or D, either one of them must be conductor in order for them to close a circuit. So in short, actually, this part over here, there could be one conductor, one insulator, one conductor, one insulator. This is probably the way that is how is it being assessed. Okay, for at least for the case for this circuit. Okay, that's why they put it in this form of arrangement. Okay, so the most easiest way, rather than looking at the rods being removed, we look at the rods remain in the circuit. So let's put it this way. Let's reconstruct the whole table. Okay. So rods removed means rods remain in the circuit. Rods remain in the circuit, right? Okay. So in this case, if AB is being removed, CD is present. Okay. AD removed means BC is present. BC removed means AD is being present. CD removed means AB is present, or at least in the circuit. So actually this part you focus on the yes. Okay, so when CD is present, the light bulb light up. So straight away it tells you what? It tells you that this is how the electricity flow through. Okay, for the first one, it flow through C and D, close the circuit. Straight away C and D is a conductor. Conductor. Okay, so now you go back to your answer. Okay, so 2 and 3 must be correct. 2 and 3 must be correct, then the rest is wrong. Because we already established that C and D must be conductor, because when they are present, light bulb light up. So this become much more easier. Okay, now we know that C and D, they are conductor. So when we pair with A and B, right, the light bulb did not light up, right? It must tell us straight away that this must be a insulator. This must be insulator. And furthermore, when we take A and B together, the light bulb did not light up. So it straight away tell you that when you try to remove C and D and force electricity flow through A and B, right, which is the blue color, or which is the black color half that I'm going to draw now. Okay, it did not flow through here, neither did it flow through here. Okay, to be able to close the circuit. So it cannot flow through A and B, so it remains as a open circuit. So straight away AB must be insulator. So between these two answers, 3 is correct. 3 is correct. So the answer is 3. Okay, actually you can just use this part and this part to kind of evaluate. The one in the middle, which is this two, actually you don't really need this information anymore, because electricity flow through C and D, light bulb light up. When you put A and B remain, the whole circuit did not light up. It must tell you that A and B must be insulator, or at least both of them must be insulator. Okay, so with that, thank you very much.